Guys, this is a dance-off.
Dance-off?
Dance-off.
I did not sign up for
Wait,
this.
what?
It's a dance-off. Oh God, yes.
Oh
Please tell me you put this in Infinite Jukebox.
Wait, what?
No, I just found a video.
Okay, just put it on repeat.
Is it Sandstorm?
Yeah. Yeah, sure is.
It's a seriously dance.
All right, guys, you need to go all out on this one. Okay?
All right, guys.
Just lose it, and we need you guys
win
to
it.
donate.
Win it.
Donate. Well, I need you to lose your mind, but win the chat over with your
Okay, Alex,
dancing
let's see
skills.
this.
And we need you guys to donate. We got to get him to. I think we can get him to 176 by the end of his shift. But everybody in this room needs to dance and lose their minds.
Oh, guys, it's a competition.
Yeah, it is a dance competition. Dance off right now. Go, Alex. Okay, go. Come on, guys, get those donations rolling in. The more you donate, the harder we will dance. Well, the harder they'll dance. I'm just gonna sit here.
I know. Well played on that.
Me and Paul will sit down and judge. So far, Alex is winning. All right, Dick is winning.
Unless he kicks me in the face, and then he doesn't win.
All right, Andy, get in there.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, and that.
It's still going.
It's still going. Just wait around. Just sway. Just sway. There we go. Everybody sway. Everybody sway. Even I'll sway. I can do this.
Everybody do the seaweed.
Just do the seaweed. And get ready for the big bangs.
I believe it's called the draw.
No, these.
It was called the drum before dubstep existed, yes.
What? What was that?
I don't understand
Why
what's
are there
going on.
dogs?
Why are there dogs?
Why is it so doge?
Dogs run so much.
Here we go. Get ready for the drop. And everybody can lose it when the drop comes here. Even though it's not a drop. Drops are stupid.
It's already up there.
Keep the donations, guys. Come on, let's go. 176,000 before the end of his shift.
Dude, you're dozing hard right now.
Oh God, it's only 17 more minutes. 18, 17 more minutes.
We have to do this for 20 minutes.
What? I just looped it. What?
Okay, it's for the kids.
For the kids, come on. We danced until we hit 176,000.
Please donate.
Yeah, this is not a don't donate to make us keep dancing.
No, we
donate
don't.
to make us stop.
Look how
That's the opposite.
Look how poorly
Never
we dance.
works.
Slice. The workout. My yearly weight loss.
Come on, guys, look at Alex. He's been up for God knows how long. He's doing it. He's losing his mind. Donate for happiness.
Make mistakes how we have.
I had a coffee and a Red Bull.
All right.
Jump. Jump, 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 jump.
Get your arms into it, folks. Come on.
Come on. Do the finger point. Over there. Where?
At the donations. Come on.
Donate. Come on, guys. We've made almost 300 bucks since we started this. Doing awesome.
I like to imagine the finger point, somebody doing the finger point and actually trying to like warn somebody. And then no, it's over there! Look out! Run away! Look behind you!
Oh, what?
Whoa.
The thing is called the Rodan? Yeah. Legs hurt. Everybody, pie out of the oven.
Pie out of the oven.
That's hot.
Careful, it's hot. Put on the oven mitts.
Now just give it a...
Okay, everybody can slow down. Are we going again with this?
Is this the 10-hour? Is it normal to taste
I
blood?
would rather dance to Epic Sax Guy.
All right, go to Epic Sax Guy.